Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Jay Spence and this is Jay Spence TV, so let's get it. Welcome back. You know what time it is? It is time for another install video. So right here I have headlights, HIDs, intake, and fog light bezels. All that's going to get installed today. So this will be a two-part video. I think the first part should be the intake, and then the second part should be the headlights, the fog light bezels, and HIDs. So I got a lot to take care of right now in a little amount of time, so let's get to it. You know what it is. Parts on parts. So here we go. We got the heat box or the shell intake piping, coupler, the hoses, the clamps, the little bracket, the gaskets. So right now I'm gonna take off the factory intake box. You can't see it because of lighting, but factory intake box is coming out. And I'm gonna get my way right into there. As you can see, that's the intake tube going down to the turbo. So I'm gonna take all this off and give you another update. Okay, here's an update. So I got the stock intake pipe and box off, as well as the filter. Surprisingly, it only took me about 5 minutes. So now, I guess it's time to start installing this. Whew, not as bad as I thought. A lot easier than the radio. A lot easier. Oh, wow. Wow, welcome back. So, finally got it in. It's been about 2 hours, man. And, dear Cobb, please give some paper instructions. But everything is good, you know. You got the piping going all the way right there. Yeah, YouTubing, and then like trying to find the right video. I mean, the install is pretty simple. It's just this is different. So it took me a minute, but finally got it done. Next, I'm going to work on the headlights, the fog light bezels, and then the HIDs for the fog lights, and then put everything together, and then install the Cobb Stage 1 SF tune or whatever you call it, and that should be it. Yeah, but it's a little hassle, you know. Sturdy now. Now I gotta kind of put this together. Well, I'm not sure because I gotta take off the headlights. Yeah. But that should be it for now. Probably gonna have to take a break. Gotta go run some errands. Good thing I have a Honda. Even though I daily drive this, I don't really drive the Honda, but this is a lot better. Yeah, I'm out of breath. I'm thirsty. You feel me? Thirsty. But that's gonna be it for now. Yep, I'm still here, still getting it. So, I'm working on the passenger side headlight. I had to take off this bracket right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts holding it on. So I'm gonna take it off and figure out what needs to get done to have these headlights work, because I'm not feeling them anymore. So let me start this, and then I'll give you a little update once I get started, or not once I get started, but once I make some progress. All right, some progress. I got one headlight off, and that's the whole wiring fiasco. The person before me did like a really shitty job of wiring, so good thing I actually deal with electronics in my job. But on to the next thing. Let's get this box open. Check out these headlights. Got the sides. box inside of a box. Round 2. You know what? Fuck it. That should be good for now. That's the crap. Okay, so here we go. These look a lot better than those. A lot better. So I mean, that's the driver's side. So now I'm gonna dig through the box and get the passenger side and work my way from there. Also, don't want to really show the detailed wiring. So once I finish the wiring, I'll kind of show you what I did and how I took care of it.
Many minutes later.
Well. After I had to take a break, I had to actually go run some errands and whatnot. And I came back and I started working on it, and I realized the headlight itself, I cannot connect it to my HIDs, the ones I just installed. So I'm actually going to return these and look at some different options on headlights. So for right now, I'm going to take them off and do the fog light bezels. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to put everything back together and call it a wrap. It's getting dark, so the next clip won't be until tomorrow morning.
The next day.
Welcome back. Today is the next day. I actually finished everything that I tried to do and was able to do. Like, I did do the fog light bezels, the Cobb intake. I did put the stage 1 plus tune, and I did do the HIDs. Well, I already did that, but I didn't do the headlights, and I didn't do the HIDs and the fog lights because the headlights weren't compatible for HIDs. Yeah, that looks good right there. Alright, as you saw the video, everything is done so far. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next video because, like always, there's going to be more content coming your way. Appreciate it.